I can see you in the crowd. I can see you 'cause your heart lights up the sky. I can hear you screaming loud, roaring like the thunder in the night. Yeah, everywhere I go.
Hi guys, this is Neon Days, back again with a video, and today I'm going to be talking about Windows capturing software, and specifically some of the problems that YouTubers can run into if they're using a laptop for their YouTube channel. Okay, so you're probably wondering why I'm talking about issues specifically with laptops. Some of you might not know, laptops actually have two graphical processor units, which means that there can be issues with the graphics that you're capturing versus the graphics that you're actually running on. You might be using one processor and capture on another, resulting in a black screen. And I can actually show you what this looks like on OBS. If I were to hit, if I were to hit preview screen, please. Oh, there it goes. Okay, it died. Let me try that again. Preview screen. So you can see that this is a black box. It's not actually showing the stream. Of the streaming services that I've found, I've tried Bandicam, OBS, and Xsplit. And Bandicam is great. It actually does a decent job of figuring out which graphical processing unit I'm currently running on, but unfortunately has a time limit if you don't buy the full version. And OBS seemed like a pretty good option, but it doesn't seem to be able to capture my screen properly, again because of that graphical processing unit. I could probably force it to with the method I'm going to show you in a minute, but we're going to ignore OBS for now. Alright, you can see in Xsplit, which I'm currently using to record actually, that everything is hunky-dory and fine. And I didn't change any actual setting on Xsplit itself. I have an Nvidia graphical processing unit, and apparently Nvidia came out with an update that caused some issues with video capture, gameplay, and things like that. So what I did is I went to the Nvidia control panel. Under Manage 3D Settings, you will see in Program Settings that this thing is slow. Yeah, you'll notice that this thing is quite slow. There will be a list of programs if you were to click Add. And you can choose programs to override the default for. So if a program generally starts with one graphical processing unit, you can start it with another. This is all that I did for Xsplit. Again, it's quite slow, but if you were to click Add, and if it were to actually come up, you would see Xsplit as a program option. Alright, so we have Bandicam, we have OBS, we have Xsplit, and you can choose these and change the startup GPU to your other GPU that you have on your computer. Right now I have BattleBlock set up for integrated graphics because again, Nvidia came out with an update and caused some problems. And when I ran BattleBlock Theater, it ran with a white screen with audio. I switched it to integrated graphics and it ran just fine. I might have misspoken earlier. Xsplit is actually running under Nvidia, and it was able to do Windows capture. And instead of doing a specified game capture, I just used Windows capture for everything, and it'll get the game and everything else. And it might not be the best quality, but anything else tends to cause a black screen for me. I'm still fiddling with some of the settings, but this is what I have so far. Okay, so as an example, here's what happens with BattleBlock Theater if BattleBlock Theater is running on Nvidia. Now, if you have a problem with your game crashing, I can't promise that this will solve it. It might be just your game itself, and immediately, white screen with sound. Fun music, though. There's a chicken. Okay, click exit, please. Pose. Yeah, you're fun, but I need you to go away for a moment. Thank you. Okay. So, switch that to integrated, hit apply. Yeah, okay, there we go. And play again. Blink. And it immediately works. For some reason, this game just doesn't work on the other graphics card. Some capture software doesn't work. It all just kind of depends. Test it out if you have the chance. Okay, so that's enough of that. I hope you guys found this useful. Generally, between laptops and desktops, there's benefits of having both. Honestly, the only reason why I use a laptop for my YouTube channel is because I'm a college student and I'm hauling my laptop back and forth to class. But with this little trick, hopefully that will bypass some of those problems for those of you who are using a laptop and want to capture games and if you're having issues. If you have any requests or any issues that you've come across when trying to film your videos for YouTube, trying to create content, specifically anything on the technical side, I'd love to help, happy to help. Anyway, I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you next time. Bye!